This is a figure recognition question. You are given one shape at the top. Below it are 5 figures made of many lines. The target is hidden inside exactly one of them. Here is the rule that decides every question of this type. The hidden shape is never turned, never mirrored, never made bigger or smaller. It sits inside the correct figure exactly as you see it. Same size, same angle, same way up. That sounds like a small detail. It is actually the whole question. Because the test makers deliberately include the same shape rotated, the same shape flipped, and the same shape stretched, those are the traps. And if you know the shape can never change, you can reject them in about 1 second each, without tracing a single line. Before you look at the options, study the target. Give it 5 seconds. That 5 seconds saves you a minute later. Start with the left edge. It runs perfectly vertical, straight down, top to bottom. That is the spine of the shape. At the top of that vertical edge is the point. From there, a long diagonal runs down and to the right, out to the shape's widest point. Now find its fingerprint, the one detail you will hunt for. Near the bottom right, the outline does not run straight to the base. It steps inward, a small square notch cut into the corner. Then the base runs back to the left, tilting very slightly, so the lowest point of the whole shape is the bottom left corner. Do not try to match the whole outline at once. That is slow and your eye will cheat. Hold one feature, the square notch at the lower right, with the point at the top. Now let's clear the board. Orientation first. It is the fastest test. C. The matching wedge is lying on its side, turned about 90 degrees. The shape can never rotate. Gone. D. Also turned and bigger. 2 rules broken at once. Gone. E. The right way up, but stretched. Taller and thinner than the target. Size can never change. Gone. That leaves A and B, and this is where you slow down. A. It looks very close. Same position, same diagonal edge, but trace the bottom. The lower edges are square and flat, and there is no notch. It is a triangle, not our shape. Gone. B is correct. And notice how you found it. You did not compare 5 complicated pictures. You rejected 3 on orientation alone, then checked 1 small notch. That is the whole method.